Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or a pro filmmaker searching for advanced features, this list has something for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's check them out one by one. Number 1. Bwine F7 Mini Drone 8K Photo, 4K Video. The Bwine F7 Mini is a compact yet powerful drone weighing under 249 grams, which means you don't need FAA registration in the US. It features 8K photo quality and 4K video, recording with a 3-axis brushless gimbal and ace stabilization for buttery smooth footage. With a 20,000 feet control range and up to 96 minutes of flight time, this drone is packed with features like AI GPS Smart Return, Follow Me, Waypoint Flying, and Orbit Mode, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Pros: stunning 8K photo resolution, 3-axis gimbal with A's for stable video, long 96-minute flight time, lightweight at just 249 grams. Cons: can be affected by strong winds. App interface could be more intuitive. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Drone 8K Photo, 4K Video. The Potensic Atom 2 is designed for creators. It delivers 4K video and 8K photos, supported by a 3-axis gimbal and AI night shot for low-light photography. With 10 kilometers video transmission, AI tracking, vertical shooting, and quick shots, it's built for content creators who want cinematic shots. The Fly More combo gives you up to 96 minutes of flight time, making it perfect for travel and professional use. Pros: AI night shot for better low-light performance, vertical shooting for social media content, long 10 kilometers transmission range, Fly More combo with extra batteries. Cons: pricier than entry-level drones, learning curve for beginners. Number 3. V11 Air Drone 6K UHD Camera. The V11 Air is a great mid-range choice, featuring a 6K camera for stills and 4K 30 FPS video recording. It comes with a 3-axis brushless gimbal, up to 70 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, and a 10,000 feet transmission range. With auto return, GPS, and beginner-friendly controls, this drone is perfect for both newcomers and hobbyists. Pros: 6K photo quality, solid 4K video, 70 minutes total flight time, easy to use GPS and auto return, great value for beginners. Cons: not as feature-rich as DJI or Potensic Atom 2, transmission range lower than premium models. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 DJI RC. DJI is the industry leader, and the Mini 3 shows why. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers 4K HDR video recording with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for professional-level footage. It has a 38-minute flight time, 10 kilometers video transmission, vertical shooting, and GPS auto return. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, this is one of the best drones for both beginners and professionals. Pros: excellent camera with 4K HDR video, trusted DJI quality and stability, lightweight and FAA friendly, vertical shooting ideal for social platforms. Cons: costs more than most budget drones, flight time shorter than some rivals. Number 5. SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo. The SKYROVER X1 is all about range and endurance. With 8K photos and 4K video, a 50,000 feet transmission range, and a massive 96 minutes of flight time across 3 batteries, it's a powerhouse for aerial photography. Lightweight and portable, it's built for travelers and creators who don't want to worry about battery limits. Pros: longest transmission range at 50,000 feet, huge 96-minute flight time with 3 batteries, 8K photo capability, Fly More combo included. Cons: brand not as well known as DJI, camera quality slightly below premium models despite 8K claim. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on Amazon for 2025. If you want the most trusted option, go for the DJI Mini 3. For longest flight time and range, the SKYROVER X1 is unbeatable. The Potensic Atom 2 is perfect for creators, thanks to its vertical shooting and AI night shot. If you're on a budget but still want solid performance, the V11 Air is a great pick. And for a balanced, beginner-friendly yet powerful drone, the Bwine F7 Mini is hard to beat. Which of these drones would you fly first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future reviews.